This is Daily Evening News, and we begin with a major development in Pakistan's foreign policy stance. Pakistan has once again reaffirmed that the Pak-Afghan border will remain closed until the Afghan authorities provide firm and credible assurances to prevent terrorist infiltration into Pakistan. During the weekly press briefing, Foreign Office spokesperson Tahir Hussain Andrabi said the issue extends beyond the TTP and TTA, noting that Afghan nationals have also been involved in serious crimes inside Pakistan. He emphasized that the border closure must be understood strictly in this security context. The spokesperson clarified that Pakistan has no dispute with the Afghan people, whom it considers brothers and sisters. He stressed that the border closure is not political, it is purely a security measure. He added that Pakistan has always supported humanitarian corridors for the Afghan population. However, any border policy is directly tied to Afghanistan's practical cooperation in eliminating terrorism originating from its soil. Until firm guarantees are provided that terrorists and violent elements will not enter Pakistan, the border will remain shut. Responding to a question, Andrabi acknowledged media reports about possible Pakistan-Afghanistan talks in Saudi Arabia. He also noted that the Turkish president had earlier announced a high-level Turkish delegation's visit to Islamabad. The delay, he said, may be due to scheduling issues or a lack of cooperation from the Taliban. Pakistan, he reiterated, closed the border solely to protect its citizens from terrorism. On President Putin's visit to India, the spokesperson said it was a bilateral matter between two sovereign states. Pakistan, he added, has no specific position on potential India-Russia defense agreements as countries are free to strengthen their relations. Expressing concern over discriminatory policies against Muslims in India, Andrabi said, state patronage has emboldened extremist groups. As the 33rd anniversary of the Babri Mosque demolition approaches tomorrow, he said the tragedy remains a source of deep pain and concern. He stressed that any act targeting Muslim religious symbols or historical heritage must be transparently investigated and held accountable, adding that the desecration of any holy site violates the principles of religious equality. This has been your breaking news update on Daily Evening News. Stay tuned for more national and international developments.